YouTube. Today is Thursday, December 16th. It's my day off. Well, I worked about 4.5, 5 hours on my day off, but I did my own photos. So I shot 3 games last night, so I had to edit those and get them online. I didn't tweet them or anything yet, but well, basketball doesn't usually sell anyway. So anyway, it's chilly. We had a cold front come in the other day, or a couple days ago. It's checked my phone, it was only 48 degrees, so I'm wearing my winter duds. Got a couple layers on up top, and then I got wind pants and my winter. I think these are ski pants. They're Magellan stuff. They're really warm. The air doesn't get through them, and I think they're even waterproof. But I'm out on the Goldwing. Gotta get this thing out and ride it. I still have to fix the air line. I got an air leak, so I'm running 0.0 pounds in the back end, but it's super duper smooth, so I kind of like it. So I'm not in a super hurry to jack it up, take both back wheels off, and see where the leak is. I hope it's in a line and not in the bags. But I'll do that one of these days. What a great day. Chilly, and see what it says. I don't know, it says it's 52 now, but this one's more accurate than the Spider. Spider's not accurate at all. It's probably 4 degrees off than what it actually, it says 4 degrees warmer than what it actually is. This one's usually pretty accurate. So I had to go out for a ride. Oh, my son and my daughter-in-law, I think we have a funeral up here, so I know the cops were stopping traffic, but it's just like a funeral. My son and daughter-in-law went by our property last Sunday, and they're working on it a little bit. Looks like they had the forms up where the house goes, so they'll have to do all the plumbing and everything, and you know, they bury it really deep, and they have like this 5-bag kind of thing, and it's really neat how they do that up there. But they should be doing that pretty soon. So I saw the forms for when they're going to do the foundation, so that was kind of cool. But apparently they get a lot of rain, a lot more rain up there in the Dallas area than we ever do here, because everything was wet and muddy, and we didn't get any rain here. I don't know why that happens. We don't get a lot of rain here, and they get a lot more weather up north. A lot more storms and a little bit of everything. So, but some headway working on it. So now that, gosh, even the house next to me on this side that they were framing the last time I went there has it's completely built and even has a roof. So they're working on it. They have to have it done by August 1st. And that's what the contract said. So it's going to be kind of interesting. I have to my office has to be in my garage, or my shop, but I'll get a mini split and have a nice desk to put out there and a refrigerator. So as long as I have a mini split with heating and air conditioning, I'll be okay. My wife will get the study because she works from home too, so I don't mind being banned to my shop. I'll like being out there anyway. Bye.